Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Make sure Eclipse Java EE and a Tomcat distribution are installed, and that Java home points to a compatible JDK. Open Eclipse and switch to the server's view. Once there, choose New Server to start linking. Point the server runtime to the Tomcat folder you extracted so Eclipse can control it. This first action registers Tomcat with Eclipse and creates the runtime configuration that you will refine in the next steps. Once the runtime is registered, configure how Eclipse deploys to Tomcat. In Preferences, confirm the Tomcat runtime libraries and JVM settings. Make sure the target runtime for your dynamic web project is set to that Tomcat instance, so classes and web XML map correctly. Next, drag the project onto the server in the server's view or use Add and Remove. If you use a different deployment folder or custom ports, change them now so Eclipse publishes artifacts to the correct web apps path and avoids port conflicts. Start Tomcat from within Eclipse and watch the console output. You should see a clean startup and web app deployment messages. Once done, open your browser to the local context path to verify pages load and servlets respond. If something fails, make sure the port is free, the correct runtime is assigned, and the project facets, dynamic web module, Java version, match Tomcat and JDK. A key tip: if Eclipse won't publish, clean the server and republish, and inspect the Tomcat logs for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.